Walking the spoon with nature. Something a little different today. We're here in Hartford City, Indiana. Civil War days. This is my haircut. I am Samuel Hezekiah Michael, originally from the woodlands around New Bremen, Indiana. So I've been here doing demonstrations all day with the steel flint striker, and got my thumbs, got my fingers, got all the facial hair. It's a plus. A lot of kids come through today, and we gave out probably almost close to 500 pieces of hardtack today as samples. Some liked, some didn't, and we're just going to walk around and I'll show you the camps are still being set up. We got cannons in, artillery. We got the Union side camp. We got the Rebel South Confederate side camp. A lot of cell trays here, the vendors. We're just going to check them out, just bits and pieces. Tomorrow's another busy day for me, and we're trying to get to the battle because the battle is really cool to see. So for today, we're just going to walk around and check out the camps. And there is wind outside. That's why we come in here. The wind's pretty brisk out there. I keep wanting to pull my beard because it still kind of itches, but it feels weird because I'm touching it, but I ain't touching it. I cannot feel it even though I'm touching it. It's weird. So that being said, we're gonna head outside and check out the different camps around here. Like I said, the wind is gonna blow in the microphone. There's no way around that. That's why we're coming to this tent, to get out of the wind. So just stick around and let's go see some sights. Alright, so here's my camp. Nice little A-frame tent. My cool chair. Tell me if that backpack looks familiar. You'll see it in a lot of use today. Hauled in a lot of stuff with it. Here's some more of my handiwork. Nice little table. See that? The top comes off, the frame folds up. It's a very handy thing to have. Nice little camp table. We might be looking at that later. Here is my dry goods storage. As you can see, made to box, handles and everything. Nothing elaborate. I have my knife set, which now I got to show this. There's all my cooking utensils. And they even made this little pouch to put them in. All the stitching and stuff, I did all that. See the corners? I did that. Spoons, I made these. Made a short one. This one's proved to be really useful today. It fits the bowl perfect. And they're made out of ash. This one I haven't broke in yet. It's a really long handle, which is nice. If not today, we will at some point. So that is all my cooking utensils for now. And we're going to add to that probably later. But yeah, the box is definitely a big help. And we'll put that all back together. Alright. Yeah, rock, nice tent, firewood, the pit. That tripod has been really useful too. I've enjoyed that. Real easy to cook with. So, adjacent to my camp, my Dutch oven. Excuse me. This is the Reverend's tent. Everything's kind of taken down for the rain right now. We don't know when it's going to come up. Here's just some pictures. Some pictures on display here. Just some of them. You have to come out to see them all. But, it's really something to see. Our secondary fire pit, equipped with a grill, and this grill is cool. Check this out. How many do I need, and how far do I need them? Look how close. That is cool. I got all these here I can play with. It makes it even nicer. Okay, this is the Union camp here, minus the vans. There's a lot of them are just now flowing in and setting up. Got there, we've got the nice picket fence, which you can look at. Ooh, there's a cannon. And over this side is the Confederate camp, minus the pickups. Up here is all the soldiers. There's the camp I was in. This is where all the goods are for sale for you. And it goes around that corner and Just keeps going. On the other side of that woods, there's more tents. So we're going to walk up here and look at another part of this, the artillery. All the way down there. It's going to be hard to see this. This is the Union artillery. That's the top of their tents. We'll get a better look here in a little bit. But these are cool. Very nice. I can't wait to see these things go off. Let's get a better look at the other ones. There's the Union camp. That's a lot of tents. That's a lot of guns. Can't wait for those things to go off in the morning. That's going to be cool. So it's part of the 8th Indiana Infantry Regiment. And we found out as we was walking to Virginia that once we got down south, the strike matches the soldiers were using were getting humidity, condensation, the moisture from the ground, and sometimes blood in some cases, and they wouldn't work. My job was to make fire for the regiment, and I learned that from my father using the flint and steel. So what we do is make a spark with the flint and steel, and we're going to catch it on the charcoal. It's just a burnt piece of shirt tail. That's all that is. Once I get my ember and get it established, we're going to put it in this material. This is jute. They can find it in a yarn factory. Make rope, cordage, string. There are many places. So we're going to put it into this and then blow it to life, hopefully. So we'll start out with a spark and see if we can get it. And we can do it in 10. It's a good day. There's one. There's my ember. Alright, so now we're going to put it inside our nest. There's my fire. We'd put that inside our bedding material, which is dry leaves. It could be grass, hay, straw. If your buddy wasn't around, you could use it as a blanket. Just whatever was available to you. Thank you. Out in the field, it's called turf. Trying to figure out the size of the This is how you just start every day, a little revelry. Yeah, good morning. Here we are. We got our slide. Morning. We got our bannock bread. It's about done. Need to toast a little more. Cinnamon caramel apples for top. Those are looking really well. And then our pot of cowboy coffee. And the geese are coming in. It's a good time to eat. So I had a really good time this year. 2018, Hartford City, Indiana, Civil War days. Did a lot of demonstrations. Roughly counted about 100 and just a little about 112 striker demonstrations. That's a lot of little fires. Fingers are a little stained from the jute and the flames. Got the eyebrows, set the beard, so that worked out really well for me. Met a lot of people, had a lot of good food. The bannock bread was easy to make and tasted really well. So it's something I'm going to continue to make. So that's all I got for now. Thank you for watching. Spoon with Nature.